Looking beautiful.
Okay, can everyone see the PowerPoint well?
Yes, it looks great.
Okay, let's beginning. Hi everyone, I am a physics teacher and a global program leader in Kinmen Senior High School. Today my students, will present our research. Okay, let's begin.
Hello, everyone. Thank you all for being here today. We are Kinmen High School students in Taiwan, and we are all happy to come here to give a simple presentation and explanation for our research and the future outlook. This is our team photo and our research topic.
The reason why we study this is because we noticed that there is a special tree in our school which has leaves in 3 different colors, including red, green, and yellow. At the same time, we found this interesting and decided to invest time in this research. After we learned about the law of pistachia growth, our first research purpose is to know what might affect the leaves to change color. Next one is why with the specific. Leaves usually appear in certain seasons. The weather check is correct. Have an effect on the common difference. And the last question, why can a tree have 3 colors simultaneously? With our teacher's help, this report was precipitated.
First of all, we began by visiting websites on the internet and sorting out information about pistachia tree we got from them. Then we divided tasks and collaborated with each other. We kept doing tree observation, organizing the possible reasons why leaves change color by reading related books and articles, and search globe in and our school data bank for the climatic information. Finally, we managed to analyze and discuss the results we had obtained. During our observation, we took photos to keep track of the growing process of the tree in order to clearly show the color change. Photos on the left side were shot facing south. That is the side where the sun shines on directly, and for pictures on the right were shot facing north.
This picture shows the regular changes we learned about the pistachia tree. We discovered that its leaf color changes from season to season. By analyzing the information we got, we learned the tree's red leaves will start coming into new in spring. Then they turn green slowly. As autumn draws near, they will become red again. Finally, they begin to fall in winter. Because our main topic is, why do the leaves turn red? We made table on first. It says that the pigments affect the leaves to change colors, and we inferred the pigments that cause pistachia leaves to become red are anthocyanins.
I would like to give you some background information about anthocyanins first. They are water-soluble pigments, which are affected by pH value and temperature. Air temperature affects anthocyanins content, and the humidity can affect ambient pH level, which in turn lead to the changing of anthocyanins color. Anthocyanins make the leaves turn red, and the reasons that cause their content and the color to change are ambient air temperature and the pH value. When it rains more, the pH value gets lower and more acidic, leading to pigment color change. This condition and the information we searched from the internet which fits what we have observed. It rains less and the and the ambient air temperature are lower in winter. The leaves are less and redder, while summers are more and greener. By observing the tree and analyzing information, we learned how sunshine, air temperature, and humidity affects anthocyanins in leaves, and how the weather conditions affect a pistachia tree's growth.
So far, we have some outlooks for the future. First, we will continue doing tree observations, hoping we can build an intact data bank, which includes its all-year growth condition. And we would also like to do some chemical experiments to check whether our assumptions above are right. We think maybe we can do the chromatography experiments to confirm if there are any anthocyanins in red leaves, or maybe expose the leaves to the ultraviolet light, confirming how the content of sunshine can affect anthocyanins in leaves. In addition, we want to make the observations and data we accumulate into numbers. That is to say, to get more numeric data, make them more objective and persuasive. Also, we hope we can use global phenology protocols in our future paper. In the end, these are our citations.
And that brings us to the end of our presentation. Thank you all for your attention.